friends, it's Miss Halle here. I'm so happy to see you today. Today, me and my friends are on a journey, and we are at Lakeside Nature Center. Lakeside Nature Center, we get to walk. So right now, we are walking the trails. Some of us are falling. That's Jet. That's Miss Halle's son. And we also get to bird watch and look at water and lots of cool things, friends. So I'm going to show you everything that we do at Lakeside Nature Center. It's going to be a whole lot of fun. So come with us. So this is where they feed the birds at Lakeside Nature Center. It's so cool. And we were just here a month ago, and all of this grass stuff that you see right here, it wasn't inside the water. But now that it's getting warmer outside, we're able to see all the plants coming up, as well as the water coming down. Different bird feeders, so they feed the birds food so that all the birds can stay alive. Everything over here is so very green and it looks so beautiful. We love nature. We love nature at the Learning Hive Campus.
Hey.
Here is a wolf, friends.
Hey, don't run over there.
So we're walking back on the trail. Walk, walk, walking feet with me. Come on. Some pretty flowers. They look like daisies. We're going on a bear hunt. Going on a bear hunt.
We're going on a bear hunt.
I've got my binoculars.
I got my binoculars.
We're not scared.
We're not scared.
We're not scared.
We're not scared.
We can't go over it.
Can't go over it.
We can't go under it.
Can't go under it.
We're just gonna have to go through it.
Just gonna have to go through it.
Oh no, what's that sound?
I hear something.
I hear a bird.
Oh, I see a bird.
I see a bird.
Well, we did. Shut the way. Look, it's so good. She's looking at me. Hi.
Okay, friends, get down, get down.